A strong self-paced test prep program is built on a few core components that support student progress and tutor scalability. The first component is a diagnostic assessment that establishes baseline performance across all major test sections. An effective diagnostic takes 30 to 60 minutes and produces topic-level reports that personalize practice and guide tutoring decisions. The second component is structured practice content organized by topic and difficulty so students progress logically. Most programs use expert-written question banks with clear explanations, then layer in tutor-created strategy guidance. The third component is progress tracking that monitors completion, accuracy by topic, time per question, and improvement trends. The fourth component is parent visibility through automated reports that show completed work and areas for improvement. The fifth component is a support layer that includes FAQs, optional office hours, and a clear path to one-on-one tutoring. Together, these components let tutors support many students efficiently while improving outcomes without adding live hours.